Hi, I'm Marci Javril with yogaoftouch.com, and I'm a wellness consultant. Not only that, I've been a massage therapist for many, many years, wrote a book about my specialty called Lymphatic Detox Massage, and I've been a professional dancer since I was very young, have a degree in dance therapy, and I've been doing yoga since I was 21. So I bring all of these things together into your wellness session, whether you're with me in person or if you're in my Zoom room, we can Zoom together. I love to give you self-care activities that are going to improve your life right away without costing a lot of time, energy, or money. So I teach you about cleansing programs and things you can do, daily habits that will keep you alive and feeling fulfilled. I also can give you creative movement things and hula hoop dance, bouncing on a ball, all kinds of great things with your hatha yoga practice, teaching you range of motion stretches so you can really get the best out of all your practices. And of course, learning how to massage yourself and do daily detox habits and bring that to your family too. I love it when you tell me that your life is better because of the things you've learned and implemented from me. I'm trained in Kriya Tantra yoga and Taoist practices, and that's part of how I keep my own rejuvenation going. And that's what I'd like to give to you in your self-care lessons, either in person or virtually. So please contact me and we will begin to make your life brighter and fuller and better and more present